When people think about Dubai, they picture futuristic skyscrapers, golden deserts, and an unmatched display of wealth and innovation. But for the billionaires who call this city home, Dubai is more than just a place to live. It is their playground for some of the most extravagant and mind-blowing experiences money can buy. These aren't just purchases. They are unforgettable adventures, custom-designed luxuries, and exclusive access to things most people could never dream of. From dining in underwater restaurants to renting entire islands and even building private snow palaces in the middle of the desert, Dubai's billionaires redefine what it means to enjoy life. They live in a world where money removes every boundary, where the most impossible requests are made possible, and where each experience is not just a moment, but a statement of status, influence, and taste. In this video, we're going to explore 6 jaw-dropping experiences that show exactly how the ultra-rich in Dubai are spending millions in 2025. And before we dive into the world of limitless wealth, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button if you enjoy discovering the luxury lifestyles of the world's wealthiest, and leave a comment telling us which of these experiences you'd want to try if money were no object. 1. Booking private desert palaces for luxury retreats. The desert has always been at the heart of Dubai's identity, but for billionaires, it's not about riding camels or camping under the stars. It's about transforming the wilderness into a stage for ultimate indulgence. In 2025, Dubai's ultra-rich are spending millions booking or even constructing their own private desert palaces, complete with infinity pools that glow under the moonlight, spas rivaling the best wellness resorts, and staff flown in from Paris, Tokyo, or New York to cater to every preference. These desert estates come with gourmet dining prepared by celebrity chefs, imported furniture from exclusive European ateliers, and entertainment ranging from live opera performances to private fireworks displays over the dunes. Imagine hosting a wedding where the backdrop is endless sand illuminated with lanterns, or waking up to live music while watching the sunrise from a rooftop terrace. For billionaires, the desert isn't empty land. It's a blank canvas where they can build their own kingdom of sand and luxury, blending Arabian tradition with modern extravagance in a way only Dubai can deliver. 2. Underwater dining at Atlantis, the Royal and beyond. Dining has always been a centerpiece of luxury, but for billionaires in Dubai, it's about turning a meal into a theatrical, once-in-a-lifetime event. At underwater restaurants like Oceano at Atlantis the Royal, guests eat surrounded by glowing marine life, from stingrays to schools of exotic fish, swimming behind floor-to-ceiling glass. A billionaire might reserve the entire venue, hiring Michelin-starred chefs from Europe or Asia to design custom multi-course menus pairing rare ingredients like golden caviar, white truffles, and bluefin tuna flown in that morning. Vintage wines worth tens of thousands of dollars are uncorked to accompany the dishes, but the dining doesn't end at food. Billionaires commission live performances, exclusive art installations, or even light shows to personalize the experience. With costs climbing into the millions for a single evening, underwater dining becomes less about eating and more about staging an unforgettable sensory journey where exclusivity and spectacle take center stage. 3. Renting private islands on the world islands. If there is one symbol of Dubai's ambition to redefine luxury living, it is the World Islands, a man-made archipelago shaped like a map of the globe. For billionaires, these islands are more than property. They are private kingdoms at sea. In 2025, the ultra-rich are either renting them for weekends or building multi-million-dollar estates that serve as personal retreats. Imagine arriving by helicopter to an island with imported Maldivian sand, turquoise lagoons, and villas that mix Arabian opulence with futuristic design. Some are themed like tropical resorts, while others are purely bespoke, complete with gardens, marinas, and palaces. Hosting an event here means absolute privacy. No paparazzi, only carefully selected guests that might include royals or global business leaders. A single weekend rental can run into millions, but for Dubai's billionaires, the value lies in controlling an entire piece of the world. These islands aren't just escapes. They are ultimate statements of ownership, where even geography bends to billionaire dreams. 4. Extreme adventure experiences like indoor skiing and skydiving over the Palm. Dubai has built its reputation on making the impossible possible, and billionaires treat the city's innovations as their playground. At Ski Dubai, a snow-covered wonderland inside the Mall of the Emirates, the wealthy book entire slopes for private use, bringing in world-class instructors or hosting snow-themed parties with igloo lounges and artificial blizzards. For adrenaline seekers, skydiving over Palm Jumeirah is the ultimate thrill, often upgraded with private aircraft, luxury filming crews, and champagne receptions upon landing. Others prefer desert adventures on a lavish scale, falconry shows with birds trained exclusively for their event, dune buggy races in custom-built vehicles, or hot air balloon safaris that transform into fine dining experiences thousands of feet in the sky. Each adventure is elevated with bespoke touches and world-class service, making every adrenaline rush not just exciting but unforgettable. For billionaires, thrills are not just about danger, they're about crafting memories that no one else can replicate. 5. Mega yacht parties and floating palaces. On the Arabian Gulf, mega yachts have become floating empires where Dubai's billionaires host parties that rival global festivals. These aren't just boats, they are palaces at sea worth hundreds of millions, featuring helipads, pools, spas, private cinemas, and even onboard nightclubs. In 2025, hosting an event on these yachts means flying in celebrity performers, DJs, and Michelin-starred chefs for nights of entertainment that spare no expense. Guests arrive by helicopter or tender, welcomed with champagne fountains and fireworks that launch from the decks. Themes range from Arabian Nights spectacles to futuristic sci-fi shows complete with holograms and drones. Beyond celebrations, these yachts double as private business hubs where billionaires close multi-million-dollar deals, or as retreats where families enjoy total privacy. Maintaining them costs tens of millions annually, but for Dubai's elite, the freedom of a palace that sails is the ultimate symbol of wealth and power. 6. Exclusive shopping sprees and VIP-only experiences. Shopping in Dubai is already legendary, but for billionaires, it's redefined into ultra-exclusive experiences. Instead of browsing boutiques, they shut them down entirely or have collections flown in for private viewings. Personal stylists curate wardrobes worth millions, and in some cases, designers themselves arrive to tailor pieces on the spot. Watches set with rare gems, one-of-a-kind couture gowns, and jewelry that will never be sold publicly are all part of these shopping journeys. Some even feature private runway shows staged in penthouses or yachts, with every item available for immediate purchase. For the ultra-rich, shopping isn't about buying things, it's about securing exclusivity, ensuring no one else in the world owns the same collection. In Dubai, retail becomes a performance where luxury and uniqueness are the true prizes. And there you have it. 6 jaw-dropping ways Dubai's billionaires are spending millions on experiences in 2025. From desert palaces and underwater restaurants to private islands, mega yachts, adrenaline-filled adventures, and entire boutiques reserved just for them. These experiences prove that in Dubai, wealth isn't just about possessions. It's about living moments money alone can't buy. Each of these adventures shows how billionaires rewrite the rules of luxury, turning everyday ideas into once-in-a-lifetime memories. Now the big question is, if you had the chance, which of these experiences would you choose? Would you escape to a private island, skydive over the Palm, or sip champagne underwater as sharks glide past? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this look into the extravagant world of Dubai's billionaires, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button to support more luxury content, and share this video with someone who loves exploring the lifestyles of the rich.